With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is if y minus z, 2y minus a, and y minus x are in HP. Okay, then we have to prove that x minus a, y minus a, and z minus a are what in GP. This is what we have to prove. So the question here we have. Okay, so first of all, this is what my solution part here. Right, so what question is saying that my terms, three terms are what? My three terms y minus z. Next one is what? 2 times of y minus a. And the last one is what? Y minus x. They all are in what? HP. Right, if they are in HP, then we have to do one thing. We have to prove now this all these terms should be in GP. So first of all, we know that whenever the terms are in HP, so they're reciprocal. So the reciprocal of their terms are what? 1 upon y minus z, comma 1 upon 2 times of y minus a, comma 1 upon y minus x. They are always in what? Exactly, they are always in AP. The reciprocals of these terms always in what? AP. Okay, so in that case, what I can do now? So I can write here that what AP says basically, whenever my terms, let's suppose my terms are basically D, E, and F. Okay, if they are in AP, so in that case, 2 times of E, 2 times of second term should always be equals to what? Should always be equals to my sum of first and third term, D plus F. Okay, guys. Also, I can say that here from here that E should always be what? Equals to D plus F divided by 2. Okay, so in that case, if you can notice, these are three terms here. I have so middle term. So my middle term 1 upon 2y minus a, I can write here that 1 upon, that implies 1 upon 2 times of y minus a should be equals to what? Sum of this one, 1 upon y minus z. So 1 upon y minus z plus of what? 1 upon y minus x. Also don't forget to write one thing, what? There is a 2 times of this one, right? There is a 2 times, as you can very well see, because there is 2 times of it should be equals to what? Sum of first and third term. So in that case, I can do one thing first, 2 to cancel out. So I am receiving this equation as what? This will become 1 upon y minus a. And if I take LCM here, so taking LCM will give me what? This will give me y minus x, y minus x plus of what? Y minus z, and divide by product of y minus z. So product of y minus z and y minus x here I have. Okay, guys. So now this will become what? This will become, if I write here, this will be 1 upon y minus a should be equals to what? This is equals to, I can write here one thing. This will become, okay, y minus x and plus of what? Y. So this will be 2 times of y, 2 times of y minus of x, minus of here I have, and divide by y minus z and the product of what? Y minus x. Okay. So now what I can do, if I cross multiply both sides, so this will become what? This will become y minus z. Here I have what? Y minus x should be equals to what? Y minus a first, right? With the product of 2 times of y minus x minus z here I have. Okay. So now I can write this part as what? Okay, so if I open the bracket, this will become y square minus of what? Yz I can say, minus of my yz and minus of my xy, so minus of my xy, and this will become plus of zx I can say, or xz, same thing, xz, and this is equals to what? This part if I open the brackets, so this will become 2 times of y square, 2 times of y square, okay, minus of my xy, minus of my xy, and then there will be minus of my yz. Okay, and after it's minus of a, so minus of a will give me minus of 2 times of ay. Okay, and minus minus will be what? Plus of ax, so plus of x again, plus of what? Az. Okay, guys, so what you can notice in this statement here, that this minus of yz will cancel out this minus of yz, right? And minus of xy cancel out minus of xy from this term. Okay, so what we are having right now, so the left out terms are basically, this will become xz. I can write here that this will be what? Xz. Let's write this xz here, and let's write minus of plus of ax on the LHS side. So this will be what? Minus of ax here I have. Okay, and after that what I can do, I can write minus of az also on that side. So this is what? My minus of ax minus of my az. Okay, so now this will become what? This part should be equals to, this is equals to, okay, 2y square and a single y square is there. So if I put it on the RHS side, this will be what? 2 minus 1, so will be y square only. So y square, and what are the left terms? Minus of 2ay. I can also write here, so minus of my 2 times of ay. Okay, so now moving further, this will become what? This can be done as, I'm going to do one thing now. I'm going to add a square to both sides. So let's write xz, sorry, there should be minus first. Okay, so xz minus of my ax minus of az plus of a square. Okay, and this is also y square minus of my 2ay and plus of a square here I have. Okay, so now this will become what? Why have written a square here? Now let's do one thing. Let's take x common from these two terms. So this will become z minus a. Okay, and if I take a common, so this will be what? Minus taking a common, so this will be z minus a here I have, equals to what I can do here. Okay, you can notice one thing. Okay, a square minus of 2ab plus of b square. So this is the expansion for a minus b whole square. Also I can write here that y minus my a whole square. So y minus a whole square, right? So from this I can do one thing. If I take common here, z minus a, so this will become z minus a. Here I have what? X minus a equals to what? Y minus a whole square. Okay, also I can write here that this is what this is. This can be done as what? Y minus a whole square equals to what? This is equals to x minus a with the product of what? Z minus a. Okay, and whenever I have terms, let's suppose the given terms are in the format of what? In the format of E, F and G, and whenever f square equals to what? E with the product of what? G. So in that case they are always in what? This relation depicts the relation of GP. So I can say that here from this conclusion comes out at what? Hence, so there's a middle term, y minus a is a middle term, whole square should be equal to what? First and third term product. So hence x minus a, right? And then what? Y minus a, and then what? Z minus a, and what? They are in R in exactly are in my GP. This is the solution I guess we are looking for. What we have to prove? We have to prove that x minus a, y minus a and z minus a are in GP, and this is what we have proved here. Okay, which one? Here x minus a, y minus a and z minus a are in GP, so I can say that hence proved. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.